Hey, buddy.
Hey, Buzz.
You doing okay?
I don't know, Buzz. I know you weren't around when Andy was little, but I don't remember it being this hard.
Want me to take the next watch? I'll keep an eye on Forky.
No, no. I need to do this. That little voice inside me would never leave me alone if I gave up.
Huh. Who do you think it is?
Who?
The voice inside of you. Who do you think it is?
Me? You know, my conscience? That part of you that tells you things? What you're really thinking?
Fascinating. So your inner voice advises you.
What?
It's a secret mission. In a charted race. Let's go.
Where's Forky?
Oh, no. Porky. Porky.
I am not a toy. I'm a spork.
Be quiet.
I was made for soup, salad, maybe chili, and then the trash. I'm litter! Freedom!
Ham, how far to our next stop?
5.32 miles, give or take.
I can make that. I'll meet you at the RV park.
Woody, hold on a minute. Woody!
Forky! Forky, where are you? Forky! Forky, where are you?
Oh no, I can't believe this is actually happening.
Carry me?
No.
Why do I have to be a toy?
Because you have Bonnie's name written on the bottom of your sticks.
Why do I have Bonnie's name written on the bottom of my sticks?
Because she... Look, she plays with you all the time, right?
Yes.
And who does she sleep with every night?
The big white fluffy thing?
No, not her pillow. You. All right, Forky, you have to understand how lucky you are right now. You're Bonnie's toy. You are going to help create happy memories that will last for the rest of her life.
Huh? What?
Oh, yeah. Hey. Oh, okay. Doing it for Bonnie. Doing this for Bonnie. Doing it for Bonnie. Okay. Like it or not, you are a toy. Maybe you don't like being one, but you are one nonetheless, which means you are going to be there for Andy when he
Who's Andy?
I mean, Bonnie. You have to be there for Bonnie. That is your job.
Well, what's your job?
Well, right now, it's to make sure you do yours.
Carry me?
No!
Who's Andy?
Andy was my other kid.
You had another kid?
Yeah, for a long time. It was pretty great. I was a favorite toy, actually. Running the room was my job. Keeping all the toys in place.
So he thought Andy's room was a planet? Wow, that is messed up.
Right, that's exactly what I thought when he first showed up.
I mean, how is that not annoying?
Thank you.
Seriously, that is...
Well, then you watch him grow up and become a full person. And then they leave. They go off and do things you'll never see. Don't get me wrong, you still feel good about it, but then somehow you find yourself, after all those years, sitting in a closet, just feeling...
Useless?
Yeah,
Your purpose fulfilled?
exactly.
Woody, I know what your problem is.
You do?
You're just like me. Trash!
What is it with you and trash?
It's warm.
Ew,
It's cozy.
I guess.
And safe. Like somebody's whispering in your ear, everything's gonna be okay.
Forky, that's it. That's how Bonnie feels when she's with you.
She does?
Yes!
Wait a sec. You mean she thinks I'm warm?
Yep.
And cozy?
Uh-huh.
And sometimes kind of squishy?
Well, that too, yes.
I get it now. I'm Bonnie's trash.
Yes. Wait, what?
I am Bonnie's trash.
No,
Oh,
not
man,
exactly.
she must be feeling awful without me. Woody, we gotta get going. She needs me.
Yeah.
Hey, Bonnie,
Whoa,
I'm
whoa,
coming.
Porky, slow
Come
down,
on, Woody.
Porky.
Bonnie, I'm coming.
Okay.